Welcome. If you are looking for downloaded files in your Realme 6S, right now I'm going to show you where you can find it. So for the first, open Google Chrome and enter, maybe we can enter the Justin Bieber or Justin Timberlake. Go for the images, take this picture for example, click, hold, tap on the download, and right now we can check where it is. So go for the file manager, it's right here. Okay, click allow, tap on the downloads, and as you can see right here we get the picture of the Justin Timberlake. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.